We need to adjust the mounting points here, otherwise the clearance is off.
Agreed. Let's revise the schematic before the next phase.
The Rolls-Royce Phantom begins its life as a sophisticated aluminum space frame chassis. This lightweight structure forms the backbone of the entire vehicle, utilizing Rolls-Royce's proprietary architecture of luxury platform. The aluminum extrusions arrive at the Goodwood factory where master welders join each section with precision. Unlike traditional steel frames, this aluminum construction reduces weight significantly while maintaining exceptional rigidity. The completed chassis is then mounted on a rotating fixture, allowing workers to access every angle during the build process. Once the chassis is secured, the body panels are carefully fitted. Each panel is crafted from hand-formed aluminum, shaped to create the Phantom's iconic silhouette. The famous Parthenon grille is installed first, a chrome masterpiece consisting of vertical slats that are individually polished and hand-assembled. Above the grille sits the Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament, which features an automatic retraction mechanism that pulls the figure into the hood if contact is detected, protecting both the ornament and pedestrians. The body shell moves into the paint shop, where it undergoes an extensive preparation process. First, the surface is meticulously sanded and cleaned to ensure absolute smoothness. 3 robotic arms apply the initial primer and base coat layers. But here's where Rolls-Royce differs from mass production. After each robotic application, skilled painters hand inspect and hand polish every surface. Multiple layers of paint are applied, with each coat being individually inspected and polished. The final clear coat receives up to 5 hours of hand polishing to achieve that signature mirror-like finish. Each Phantom can be painted in any color imaginable, with some customers requesting custom colors that require unique paint formulations. Moving to the interior, the Phantom requires 8 to 9 complete leather hides for a single vehicle. These hides come from European bulls raised specifically for leather production, selected for their softness and consistency. Each hide is laser scanned to identify imperfections, and patterns are digitally optimized to avoid any flaws. A single leather craftsperson is assigned to sew the entire interior of one car using a traditional double-needled sewing machine. This includes the seats, door panels, dashboard covering, headliner edges, and armrests. Every stitch must be perfectly aligned, with exact tension maintained throughout. The seats themselves contain multiple layers of foam in varying densities, creating that cloud-like comfort Rolls-Royce is famous for. The woodshop produces some of the Phantom's most striking interior elements. Creating the wood trim for a single car takes approximately 30 days. Craftsmen use a technique called book matching, where a single piece of veneer is split and mirrored to create perfectly symmetrical grain patterns across the dashboard and door panels. The wood is hand-selected from 6 different tree species commonly used, including walnut, oak, and mahogany. Each piece is cut to precise thickness, just 0.6 millimeters, then hand-sanded through multiple grits. 6 coats of lacquer are applied and hand-polished between each application. The wood components are numbered and cataloged, ensuring that if a piece needs replacement years later, wood from the same tree can be sourced. Hidden within each rear door is a compartment containing a custom Rolls-Royce umbrella with a Teflon-coated canopy that dries faster than conventional umbrellas. The umbrella handle matches the interior wood veneer of the specific car. Between the outer body panels and interior cabin, workers install over 130 kilograms of sound-deadening material. This includes dense foam in the floor, specialized acoustic blankets in the doors, and layered insulation in the roof. The windows are double-glazed with a total thickness of 6 millimeters, featuring a plastic interlayer that dampens vibrations. Even the tires are specifically engineered with foam inserts to reduce road noise. The result is a cabin so quiet that at highway speeds, the interior noise level measures just 55 decibels, quieter than most living rooms. Under the expansive hood sits a 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine, producing 563 horsepower and 664 pound-feet of torque. This engine is assembled by hand at a separate facility, then transported to Goodwood for installation. Each engine takes approximately 6 hours to install, with technicians carefully connecting hundreds of sensors, fuel lines, cooling hoses, and electrical connections. The engine is mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission that's calibrated specifically for the Phantom's character. delivering power smoothly and almost imperceptibly. The Phantom rides on an advanced air suspension system with self-leveling capabilities. Each corner features electronically controlled air springs that can adjust firmness and height in milliseconds. A camera mounted in the windshield scans the road ahead, and the suspension system pre-adjusts before hitting bumps, creating that legendary magic carpet ride. The suspension arms, steering components, and brake systems are all installed and torqued to precise specifications. The brakes feature massive ventilated rotors, measuring 420 millimeters in diameter at the front, clamped by 6 piston calipers. The Phantom rolls on 22-inch wheels, each weighing approximately 15 kilograms. These wheels are custom designed with the Rolls-Royce monogram prominently displayed. Inside the wheels, workers install specially engineered tires that feature reinforced sidewalls and foam inserts for noise reduction. The tire pressure monitoring system is calibrated, and each wheel is individually balanced using precision equipment that ensures vibration-free operation at any speed. Behind the classical exterior lies cutting-edge technology. Over 2 kilometers of wiring harness connects hundreds of sensors, control modules, and electronic components throughout the vehicle. The electrical system powers features like the adaptive LED headlights, which use cameras to detect oncoming traffic and automatically adjust beam patterns. The night vision system, parking cameras, and advanced driver assistance features all require precise calibration. Technicians use diagnostic computers to program and test each electronic module, ensuring all systems communicate flawlessly. As the build nears completion, the interior components are installed. The seats are bolted into position, the steering wheel is mounted, pedals are fitted, and carpets are laid. The trunk features an electrically operated lid with soft close functionality, lined with luxurious carpet that matches the interior. Every single component is checked multiple times throughout the assembly process. Panel gaps are measured with precision gauges. They must not exceed 3.5 millimeters anywhere on the vehicle. Paint thickness is verified with electronic meters to ensure consistency across every surface. Before leaving the factory, each Phantom undergoes comprehensive road testing. Test drivers take the vehicle on public roads, surrounding Goodwood, checking acceleration, braking, handling, and comfort. They listen for any unusual sounds, feel for vibrations, and verify that every electronic system functions perfectly. The car is driven at various speeds, over different road surfaces, and through tight corners. If any issue is detected, the car returns to the production line for correction. Only when the test driver certifies the vehicle as perfect does it receive final approval. After approximately 8 weeks and nearly 600 hours of craftsmanship, the Rolls-Royce Phantom is complete. Every component, from the smallest screw to the largest body panel, has been carefully selected, expertly installed, and thoroughly inspected. The result is a vehicle weighing 2,700 kilograms, measuring 5.98 meters in length, and representing the absolute pinnacle of automotive luxury. This is not mass production. This is automotive art, where every Phantom is a unique masterpiece built to the exact specifications of its future owner.